The management of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, has condoled with 4 students of the university who lost their father, Alhaji Umar. Alhaji Umar died in Kaduna on Thursday, the 2nd of February 2023, after a brief illness. The 4 bereaved students are Anas Rayyan Umar, Economics, Anas Umar, Business Administration, Anas Usman, Cybersecurity, and Asia Anas from Nursing Department. In a condolence message on Friday, the president of MAAUN Kano, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, expressed deep sorrow over the death of Alhaji Anas Umar. He described the death of the deceased as a huge loss not only to his family, but to the government and people of Kaduna State. Professor Israr also condoled with the Kaduna State government over the untimely death of the deceased, who was the father of 4 students at the university. Indeed, every soul shall taste death. It was a great loss. We pray for Allah's mercy upon him, and may He also forgive his shortcomings and grant him the highest level of Jannah, inshallah. So on behalf of the management of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, Kano, I wish to extend our deepest condolence to the children, relation, and friends of the deceased, Professor Israr said in a condolence message. He also prayed to Almighty Allah to grant the bereaved student and the entire family of the deceased the fortitude to bear the irreplaceable loss. The deceased has since been buried following the Islamic rites in Kaduna.